Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day-to-day, not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while, especially when you look at the afternoon portion of the day. Good solid volume all day around, but definitely in the latter part of the day. So definitely some updates here and such need to be made. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first level of support would be the breakout that occurred late day to day. So former area of resistance and foundational principles and rule charting states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that is where 365 is coming into play. 365 being that ideal level, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the most powerful going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 365. Now, if the price falls below 365, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would definitely be a good sign of strength. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of everything, that is where the famous 50-period simple moving average comes into play, which is being denoted by that purple line right there. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're just sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Easiest way to gauge that strength, use the purple line. As the purple line moves itself upwards, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are at full strength, full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, ideally stay above 365. If not, though, as long as the price stays above that overall trend indicator, the purple line, bulls are in full control, of the current movement. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, final portion of the day, the bulls kept knocking on the door up there at 387, but couldn't quite get through. So 387, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, top priority, in my opinion, at least, is not breaking levels of resistance at this moment in time. It's all about going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So great day today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.